Indian troops, in their fresh act of state terrorism, martyred a Kashmiri youth in the Kupwara district today. The youth was killed during a cordon and search operation in the Kamkari Machil area of the district early in the morning. At least one Indian soldier was killed and many, including a major, was injured in an attack on a post of the Indian Army in the same area of the district. Multiple teams of the Indian Army were rushed to the site. The operation continued till last reports came in. All-Party Hurriyat Conference spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas, in a statement issued in Srinagar, decried that India's BJP regime is subjecting the illegally detained Hurriyat leaders and youth to the worst political vengeance for challenging the New Delhi's illegal occupation of their motherland. He said that the people of the Kashmir were being killed, arrested, tortured and terminated from services for demanding their fundamental right to self-determination. Civil society members in occupied Kashmir demanded an open debate on the custodial disappearances of the Kashmiri youth over the last 36 years. They urged the UN and the human rights organizations to help the victim families trace their loved ones and identify the unknown graves. Over 8,000 Kashmiri youth have been subjected to custodial disappearances since 1989. Senior APHC leader Shabir Ahmad Shah has been hailed for spending 38 years in jail for his political beliefs. APHC AJK senior leader Mahmood Ahmad Sagar, in a statement in Islamabad, said that Shabir Ahmad Shah spent such a long time in the jail for advocating the Kashmiris' right to self-determination.